So here there is another problem on the equivalent force system. So it is a cantilever beam. So cantilever beam is nothing but when the one end is fixed and the another ends are free and number of loads are applying on the beam. Okay, so it is like a cantilever beam. Okay, so here on a beam we call when the forces are applied to the vertical axis. Okay, so there is no horizontal forces. All the forces are perpendicular to axis of the beam. So this is an beam. A to B is an beam and one end is fixed and all the forces are in applying perpendicular to the axis of the beam. Okay, and all the forces are acting at a different distance. Now you need to calculate the equivalent force system. Okay, and also you need to calculate the resultant. To calculate the equivalent force, you should have calculate the resultant force. Okay, so first you need to calculate the resultant where R is equal to what? Okay, so as I said you, there is no horizontal forces are acting on the beam. So all are vertical forces and one is couple force. So where resultant force R is equal to, it is R is equal to under root of V square because only we have vertical forces. So directly we can take the vertical forces here. So 4,000 Newton is applying vertically downward direction. So it is minus 4,000 and another force 2,500 acting upward. So that is plus 2,500. So 1,500 minus 1,500 Newton is the resultant force. Okay, so it is acting downward. The resultant force is acting downward, R. Okay, so now let us assume the resultant force is acting somewhere here, downward direction, R. So at what distance? Okay, at what distance the resultant force is acting? So that is, let us say X is the resultant force. Okay, X is the distance from A to the resultant force, distance from A to R. A to R is the distance. Okay, let us assume this is an X distance. Now let us calculate the X. Okay, so now we will make taking moment of all the forces to the point A. Let us make the moment of all the forces to the point A. So first we will start with the resultant force, that is R into X. What is the moment here? When it is making a clockwise movement to the point A. So that is Rx. R value we have calculated 1,500 minus 1,500 into X. Again the moment. Okay, R into X. So we will make another force, that is 4,000 is acting at a distance of 1 meter to the point A. So that is also clockwise. Okay, all are clockwise, so you will take plus 4,000 into 1. Now another force 2,000, it is making the moment of 2,000, so in a clockwise direction, the direction of the couple is clockwise, so plus 2,000. Another force minus 2,500 at a distance of, so it is 1.5, again 2, so 2.5. So direction will be anti-clockwise. So minus 2,500 into 2.5. So these are the moment at A is equal to 0. So now calculate the X distance. Okay, because X is the unknown value here, the moment at A is equal to 0. So we will find the X distance as 0.16, that is 0.17 meter. Okay, so this distance is 0.17 meter where the resultant force is acting. Okay, so this is the equivalent of system of forces. So thank you for watching.